Meaning of Git.
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 Git. Git is a version control system widely used in software development to track changes and collaborate with others on code projects. With Git, developers can make changes to code and easily track modifications, revert to previous versions, merge different versions of the same code and work collaboratively with others on the same project. It was created by Linus Torvalds in 2005 for the development of the Linux kernel. Today, it has become one of the most important tools in the software development industry, enabling teams to work efficiently and effectively together on complex projects.